Hi guys, if you want to do the keyword research through Google Keyword Planner, which is free totally, Google will not charge a single penny from you, right? Just type Google Keyword Planner in the Google, right? And click the first link. If you already have an account, you can sign in from here. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up from your Google Gmail account, right? I already had an account. I'm just clicking on the sign in, sorry. Here you'll get two options, right? First, discover the new keyword, and then you can actually get this forecast and volume, which I'll tell you later. Also, if you are not redirecting to the directly keyword planner, you can click on tools, and you can from there you can actually take it to get it to keyword planner. Okay. Here I'm typing the keyword research tool here. Here you can actually type maximum 10 number of keywords. Here the English language is set by default. You can change the language if you want. Also, if you want, you can change the country also. It's India by default. If you have any other country in your head, like if you want to do the research for US, right, you can change it from US also. Also, here it will give you an option to actually directly do the research from the website. If you have any website in your head, for assume if you have a website like this, select the website, and type the website over here. You get the number of keywords from the website directly also. As you can see here, I only type the website over here and the location. If you want to change the location, it's India. If you want to change the language, you can change the language, and you get the number of keywords from the website right here. And if you want to research a particular term which is set in your head, right, if it's keyword research tool or any other set number of keyword, right, just click the keyword and click the keyword. Here it will take you to the number of keywords. Here Google is giving you 2000 plus keywords, right? You can check the keywords which is you're getting over here, like keyword research. They are giving you an average monthly searches. What are the searches it's the keyword is having monthly? It will give you a competition where when the keyword has a low competition, where the keyword or the keyword has higher competition. It will give you impression share. It will give you the top bids, will get you the high range, right? Also, there's an option if you want to deselect the branded keywords. Branded keywords are the one which have a brand name attached to it. For example, if they have SAMrush keyword banner, if you don't want the SAMrush keyword, you can deselect it. If you don't want the keyword finder, you can deselect it, right? And from this click, from this arrow, you can actually download the CSV and the Google Sheet. And if you don't want to do that, you want all the keywords to add in your keyword plan over here, so you just need to click on the add keyword plan. You can do that from here, and if you want to change the match type, you can change. If I'll change it to face match, all the keywords will be selected in the face match only, like by clicking on it. You already added the keyword. Here you can see your all the keyword camera. So it's extremely easy. You can add the negative keywords also. You can actually, if you select, you can get the forecast, like you can get the forecast of the keyword from here also. So it's extremely easy to use a keyword planner.